coming off Ozempic was such a fear for me. So my story is I was on it for 2 years, on and off plenty of times because of the supply. If I couldn't get it, I couldn't get it. But I lost 17 kilos on it. But the important thing was that I never ever went up a higher dose. I stayed the lowest dose the whole time. But the thought of coming off it and putting on weight just petrified me. So what I did in April this year, this eating plan called Health with Beck was put in front of me. It's a 3-week reset. And I knew that I had to come off Ozempic and not put the weight back on. I had to change the way that I ate. Not that it was bad before, but I knew I had to change, something had to change. So this 3-week reset, I looked at it and I put my big girl panties on and thought, I can do this. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's actually really quite, it's quite strict. But day 2 on it, I felt amazing. My bloat had gone. I felt more energetic. I felt cleaner, crisper. It was just amazing straight away. So I stayed on it. It was hard for the 3 weeks, but I thought if I can do this, then I can reset. I didn't actually have intention of staying on the eating plan. However, I overlapped for 2 weeks, but Ozempic I was always starving on. When I ate, I didn't eat very much, but I was always starving, even though I drank heaps of water. So after being on the 2 of them for 2 weeks, I thought I'm going to get off Ozempic, see how I go. And it's all behind me now. So I have actually stayed on the eating plan, Health with Beck. I love the flexibility of it. I basically eat it 80-20% of the time, which is what they suggest. I have cheat meals. I don't even know if they're called that. But I feel fantastic and I've kept the weight off. I've actually lost some more weight. So if you're looking for an out or if you're looking to get onto Ozempic but you're worried about coming off, I urge you to look into this. She doesn't know, Health with Beck doesn't know that I'm talking about this, so it's not a paid sponsorship or whatever that is. It's just a normal person talking to another person who might be trying to come off Ozempic. So I hope this helps you. I'll put the link below and good luck with your journey.